Hello little friends, get ready for an adventure with Learn with Little.
A for Albatross. B for Bufflehead. C for Cormorant. D for Dovekie. E for Eider. F for Fulmar. G for Gannet. H for Heron. I for Ibis. J for Jacana. K for Kingfisher. L for Loon. M for Murre. N for Northern Fulmar. O for Oystercatcher. P for Puffin. Q for Quail. R for Razorbill. S for Shearwater. T for Tern. U for Upland Sandpiper. V for Vulture. W for Eider. X for Xantus Hummingbird. Y for yellow-headed Blackbird. Z for Zenaida Dove.
Thank you for joining us little learners, and don't forget to like and subscribe to keep learning with us.